welcome back to my channel. Today I am making mango shake. Three Alphonso mangoes, some ice cubes, 3 glasses of milk and sugar. First we will peel all the mangoes. All the mangoes are peeled. Now we will cut it into small pieces. Okay guys, mangoes are cut into small pieces. Now we'll go in the further procedure. Now we have to blend all the mangoes with sugar. I am adding 2 tablespoons of sugar because Alphonso mangoes are naturally sweet. Now we'll blend it. Now you can see our mango paste is ready. Now we'll add milk. I am adding 2 glasses of milk. After blending one time, I will add another glass of milk. So now let's blend it again. Now we will add rest of the milk in it and add some ice cubes. You can see my mango shake texture is very thick. Again we will blend once again because we have put rest of the milk now. Now it's serving time. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And please guys follow my Instagram account, link is mentioned in my description box. Bye bye, take care, thank you for watching.